How to use DoorDash DashPass free trial. To use the DashPass free trial, first of all, launch the DoorDash application on your device and also make sure to log into your account. Once you have logged in, tap on your account icon on the top right corner. From here, all you have to do is now locate the Get DashPass option. Now, once you find it, go ahead and tap on it. You will find Try DashPass for a free option. Choose between this monthly standard or discount annual plan. Both options will explicitly display a $0 for your trial period during the checkout. Now you simply have to input a valid credit card, debit card, or PayPal account. DoorDash requires a live payment method to prevent fraud, but you will not be charged during your trial. Then tap Start Free Trial to instantly activate your benefits. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.